Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation series English for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 46. On this page, children, you are going to read, match and write fruit names. Look at this, children. This is grapes, mango, dates, papaya, peach, guava. Listen again, children. Grapes, mango, dates, papaya, peach, guava. Children, grapes name is matched with the grapes picture with a straight line. Likewise, children, we have to match all the fruit names with its pictures. This is mango and this is the picture of mango. Children, you have to match this name mango with its picture with a straight line. This is dates and here is the picture of dates. Children, you have to match this name dates with its picture with a straight line. This is papaya and this is the picture of papaya. Children, you have to match the name papaya with its picture papaya with a straight line. This is peach and this is the picture of peach. Children, you have to match the name peach with its picture peach with a straight line. This is guava and this is the picture of guava. Children, you have to match this name guava with its picture guava with a straight line. After matching the fruit's name with its pictures, children, now you have to write the fruit names on these 4 lines by yourself. Mango, children, you have to write the name mango in between these 4 lines. Grapes, children, you have to write the name grapes in between these 4 lines. Guava, children, you have to write the name guava in between these 4 lines. Peach, children, you have to write the name peach in between these 4 lines. Papaya, children, you have to write the name papaya in between these 4 lines. Dates, children, you have to write the name dates in between these 4 lines. Let's read all the fruit names of this page. Grapes, mango, dates, papaya, peach, guava. Children, you have to match all these fruit names with its pictures and then you have to write these fruit names on in between these 4 lines by yourself. You have to write mango, grapes, guava, peach, papaya, dates. Let's read again these names, children. Grapes, mango, dates, papaya, peach, guava. This was our page number 46.